Today we've walked the 11 kilometers from our house sit in Praia del Rei to Peniche to check out this incredible port city on the Silver Coast of Portugal. Peniche has always been an important fishing port, and also it was military because they were protecting it. So you've got these walls running down the edge of the city, and then the big fortress at the bottom, which is interesting to see, and an old town in the middle. We're up at the top now. We're going to walk through, we're going to check out the market and the rest of the city. Let's go and have a look at Peniche. This is the beach to the north of Peniche. It's Praia de Peniche or Praia de Gambo, I'm not quite sure, but it's a lovely sweeping bit of sand that goes all the way around to Baleal in the distance over there. We were there last week. Plenty of surfers down here, good waves to be caught.
And there's a surf school. This is a beautiful statue of Nossa Senhora of Safe Travels, the patron saint of fishermen. Very important in a city like Peniche.
These are some of the fortifications of the city walls. They've been here since the 17th century, I believe. Very impressive. Entrance to Peniche, and the Christmas decorations are going up. We've managed to breach the city walls. Now we can see what's inside. The walls are a little bit broken down in places, but adds to the authenticity of it. And you can see here over the moat there's a footbridge that goes through a hole they've made in the walls there. Great.
And I'm happy to report there are free public toilets just inside the walls. So we're here at the market now. Remember, it's always best to go to markets in the morning. Just gone midday, so hopefully there'll still be loads of stores open.
After you.
160 oranges, 2 for pomegranates, 180 for persimmons. Pretty good prices actually. 120 for those apples. Very popular this time of the year, chestnut.
I love the artwork of the produce on the walls around. Really nice.
There's a cafe. Bifanas. 240. Galao and a pau con manteiga. 150. Cheese sandwich or ham sandwich. 160. If you'd like a snack when you come to the market.
Interesting. Look upstairs.
Ah, this is the fish section. Probably all caught fresh this morning. And again, it all smells so clean and fresh and lovely. I'm sure if we'd got here earlier, there would have been a lot more stores open. But what there is here looks lovely and fresh. I'm sure most of it's been grown locally. So We're here at the Praça Jacob Rodrigues Pereira. Along here there are some very nice looking burger bars and restaurants. Oh, over there's a bandstand. Over there is the school for lace making. Peniche is famous for it. Statue there of a lady doing that. Come around, and I love this building with the road right through the middle of it. And there are some nice cafes along here, Pasteleria Presidente, and there's a couple of others, and it's a bit quiet at the moment because we're here on a Thursday. When we came on a Saturday once, this was absolutely packed. So here we have more public toilets inside the city walls, and these ones are dated 1930 to 1931. It's so cool. This is the Igreja da Misericordia, built in the beginning of the 17th century, and the clock tower was added in 1697. Apparently there are 55 paintings inside from the Old and New Testament, but unfortunately the church is closed today. We've just come to Mini Presso because we wanted to buy some chocolate, and turns out it's closed for lunch between 1:30 and 3 p.m. We haven't had that in a city in Portugal for ages, so this is like, I don't know, country hours or something. Here we have the Sporting Peniche store, bar, I'm not too sure. Sells Superbot Green. SCP, Sporting Peniche. Oh, it's a bar. We've just stumbled across this magnificent church. I'm just going to go up. It looks as though it's closed today. This is the Igreja de São Pedro, and it's closed until 7 p.m. unfortunately. Portugal is famous for its tiles, and here on this wall opposite the fortress are 46 beautiful tiles from different schools, marking the 46th anniversary of the revolution in Portugal, April 1974.
And this is the epic landmark of Peniche, the Fortaleza de Peniche. It was built in 1557 by King John III, and it was extended in the 17th century. It is an absolutely incredible fortress, and it looks over the port to guard Peniche. The fortress was used as a political prison under the Estado Novo, the Second Republic, from 1934 to 1974. It now houses inside the Museum for Resistance and Freedom. It's free to enter. Check the website for opening hours. This way in. Small cells here. Down at the leisure port now, which is very nice. This is where boats leave from to go to the Belenga Islands. There's ticket offices along here that sell tickets for the boats to go across the 15k stretch to the islands. It's November now, so they're not going very often. So you need to kind of find a boat that's leaving. Just to the south of Peniche is the Praia de Consolação, which is otherwise known as Super Tubes, which is along here, and that is where they hold the Rip Curl Surfing World Championships every year. It's well known for its tube waves. We'll have to go and check it out sometime. Down below the fortress there's a road with plenty of bars, cafes and restaurants. Mandy has gone ahead to see if she can scout out a decent meal.
So I had a look at all the restaurants along the waterfront and they look great, but I'm not that into fish. So we've ended up coming back to the Café do Mercado for their menu do dia.
This place has got to be the best value in Peniche, and it's always popular with locals, which is always a good sign. This menu starts with sopa agrial, vegetable soup. Wow, it's really tasty. I think you'll like this, Mandy. Main courses come, roast chicken leg, chips and salad. Delicious.
Lovely.
It's in a really good sauce with onions. I like it.
And at the end of our tasty menu do dia is a beaker.
I've still got one.
Something to note about Peniche is that a lot of the restaurants do close down over this period. This restaurant's closed from the 1st of November to the 3rd of December.
Parque del Baluarte.
We're at Lidl at the moment. We've just done our shopping. 45 euros for all of this, including a box of wine.
We've had a fantastic day in Peniche, and now we're waiting for our Uber taxi driver to take us home. It'll be 12 euros to go 11 kilometres, because we're not walking with that lot.
Not all the way to PDR, no way.
No, but thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.
And comment below because we'd love to hear from you.
We'll see you next time.
Bye for now.
Bye.